Gusto naman ni Gerald Santos na bongga ang kanyang 18th anniversary celebration. Kaya ang kanyang Grateful concert ay gaganapin na sa June 29 sa Music Museum. Ibinida pa ng Pinoy Pop Superstar Champion at bida ng Miss Saigon na sina Ogie Alcacid, Rita Daniela, and his Tito Ray Valera ay kapwa may special participation.
So for my 18th anniversary concert sa June 29 sa Music Museum, it's gonna be all about yung journey ko sa music industry. There will be like 4 chapters. There will be the beginning, the struggles, the breakthrough, and the upcoming. Yeah, so marami silang aabangan dyan.
Inaabangan din ang kanyang reinvention sa i-release ni Gerald na bagong kantang MMK o Bahiwagang Mahal Kita as part of his grand Grateful concert celebration. Congratulations!